So hello everyone, my name is Delia Srinivakar. In this video, I will demonstrate my UI and AI content generator feature of the Summarize. So let's go into the UI first, user interface. This is my UI and here we can click any buttons. But in this video, I will share about the Summarize features. So I select, user will select first Summarize button, then in the input user can give the big or large text. Yes, so this is the big or large text. I want the summarize it, so I will send here and the AI content generator will be summarize it in this short form. So let's see this. Yes, this is my, this much is my input, and yes, this is my output. This is the output. So here first input is given by user and the output is viewed by Google API. Okay, so let's go in the code. So this is the my main.js page where I first target the elements for giving functionality or events, and I use the arrow function of ES6 feature for handling the events. User will can select the buttons according to their needs, and after then user give the prompt. User give in any kind of prompt and any kind of questions they will ask according to their needs. So here I also use the template literals. It is also from the ES6 features. This is modify the dynamically prompt, and the main function is API call. Yes, in this project I use async function and fetch and await. These all things are for API call request and API call API call request. So in this code lines we are giving the information about and key and point of the API and API key I am giving, and the exact address of API, and in extra information I am giving in headers and methods, and in body we are giving the JSON stringify for converting in JSON form and in JSON form to my text. And yes, after then we got the response. If we not got the response, then it will be throw the error, otherwise it will show in the result. How it will show? It is a destructuring part. Here we are extracting our exactly the answer of the text, and it we are storing in result. So we are take again in answer. That's why we are calling here. It will be replaced with the AI text. Okay, so this much its main work of the summary button, summary feature, and yes. So thank you for watching.